Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we're doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1991 Pontiac Formula 350 Firebird. Yes, it does have the 350 in it, the L98 code. They only made around 980 of these Formula 350 cars. This is one example of it. I took a picture of the RPO codes there in the trunk, so you'll be able to see that. It does have the WS6 suspension and handling package as well. Beautiful white car, gray interior. Only 59,000 original miles on this car. Very nice, clean car. Got the factory original wheels on it. It's got BF Goodrich tires on it. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, power windows, power locks, tilt wheel, cruise control, rear window defrost. Interior is very, very nice on this car. The jams, the dash, the carpet, the headliner, visors. Just very, very nice, clean car. The outside of the car has just been professionally buffed and polished. It's got tinted windows all the way around. Let's fire it up. Sounds good, runs good, drives good. Door buzzer works. Smells real good inside. Smells like that little black ice. $59,344 miles. Wipers. I don't know about the horn. Push that, it don't seem to be going anywhere. Rear window defrost, trunk, power windows, power locks, left turn, right headlight indicator. Open the hood. I just love these cars. I had a bunch of them back in the day. Very clean inside here as well. RPO codes are underneath that little cover there. Like I say, I snapped a picture of those. The jams are very nice, very clean. The power trunk works. Paint on this car is very, very nice. The hood insulator is still there and intact. 350. Just a very nice, clean car. The roads are pretty clear today, so we got a little rain, blew them off, so we're gonna do some test drives. Haven't been able to do that for a little while, so. Don't need the headlights on. Got a nice Kenwood deck in it. Radio works. Dash is in really nice shape too. Got a Bluetooth radio, got a little speaker up here too for your hands-free. Good oil pressure, temp gauge, gas gauge, voltage gauge, they all work. What an awesome car. I love these things. Just drives nice, rides nice. Cruise control works. Awesome car. It's got power mirrors too. Power mirrors work. They all work good. WS6 performance suspension. Just awesome cars. Brings you back just a little bit. Get out and do a little walk around here quick. Gotta get back in the swing of things here driving them, because I say I haven't been able to all winter long, but kind of nasty out. What a gorgeous car. The white car with the tinted windows just really sets it off. .7 liter 350. Firebird. Firebird. She goes. She's fun to drive. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, specialty inventory every day. So give us a call. Gorgeous 91 Formula 350 Firebird with only 59,000 miles. Thanks for watching and have a great afternoon, everyone. Talk to you soon.